Welcome to solverfy.
Diffraction limits the size of the objects that you can see. Let's say there's a kind of light which has wavelength of lambda. Then the smallest object size you can see using this light will be about lambda. How does this work? If your object is large enough, then your waves, which are very small, can diffract around it. But if your object is smaller than the waves themselves, the waves won't be affected by this object and you won't see any difference. What's happening in this case is that the waves are hitting the object and then either bouncing back or turning around it or something like that. And this light falls on your eyes and you see the object. You see this object. But in this case, when the object is too small, the light is not affected at all. And that's why you don't see any light scattering off of the object and you will not see the object. A great example is given in the book. Consider a ship that is in water. When the waves hit the ship, if you look at it from above, this is the ship. The waves come in like this, they hit the ship, and after the ship, the waves diffract. But if you think of the anchor chain, the waves simply pass around the anchor chain and they don't get affected at all because the size of the anchor chain is really small compared to the ship. Just like that, when the size of the object is really small, the light simply ignores it and you can't see it anymore using this particular light. Of course, you can go to lower wavelengths, but that's a